So guys, finally my 24-hour call, my 12-hour call in the newborn unit is over, and I'm having my first meal in the last from the last almost more than 12 hours. Actually, is the first meal I'm having. I'm having a fruit salad. And guys, let me explain what happened during the call. I'm very, I don't know, I think I'm so annoyed. So annoyed because the call was good. We did not have as many admissions. Actually, it was very smooth. We did not have any fatalities throughout the call. But we are interns, we are learning, we make mistakes, maybe with the drug dosages and everything. So this one nurse, sometimes nurses can be toxic. Not all of them have encountered very good nurses, very loving nurses, very motherly nurses. But these particular ones that I had for the night call last night were, I can't even explain it. They were so toxic such that when we try to sit down even to rest with the other medical officer in town, when we try to sit down maybe to rest, take a cup of tea, they are like, no, 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 no. You can't sit down. We need you to do this and this. They were really commanding us to the point of even insulting us. These There's this one who even clicked on us just because we wrote a drug on the wrong page. We are just new in that particular ward. This was our first week in that newborn unit. Of course, we ought to make mistakes. We usually make mistakes. Even our consultants correct us each and every morning. No, this you want to do it like this. Change it to this. Change it to this. But this nurse, we make a single mistake and she just clicked. She just clicked and laughing very sarcastically. It was so annoying. It was so annoying. It was bad actually. We were even thinking of going to report the matter to our consultant, to the in charge of the newborn unit, but we decided just leave the matter to rest. I did that inside. The best thing is I was not on my own. I was with another doctor, a very good guy. He's more calm and more composed than I am because trust me, if I was the only one, I would have just broken down in tears because it was bad. Imagine being insulted and being called names in front of the patient by a nurse just because of making a mistake that you would have corrected us on than just making fun. Maybe they were thinking like, I think your medical officers in turn more than us. I think that's the kind of mentality they have. Of course, these people are older than us. They know more than us. They are nurses, but we learn from them because we learn from each other. They should be teaching us. These people even know dosages. They know so many things more than us. So we want to learn from them, but we can't because when we make a mistake, they are making fun of us. So guys, my night was not good. It was not good. I almost broke down, but the other guy doctor was like, no, no, no. You're not the only one who is facing this. You are facing this together. And that was the roughest night I've ever had. I did not even sleep. Even when I was in the ward, it was rough, but this was the roughest because you have no admission, but you can't sleep because even sitting down, taking a cup of tea is a mistake. And then they just chilling they just chilling in the tea room, eating the supper that they had carried. I'm just an intern. We are not even being paid, so even carrying that food I can't carry. I just have to survive on what I had eaten like the previous day. These people are being paid, they're energetic. They have just come at 7 a.m. Remember me, I've spent a whole day there in the ward, and I'm still spending the rest of the 12 hours in the ward. I'm tired. Sometimes we're making decisions when you're tired. It does not make sense. You can make mistakes. And that's why we are there to learn. But Anyway, guys, if you know one of the interns that they have gone through this in the hands of a nurse or maybe somebody senior than you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm feeling, guys. So, guys, I think I'm going to end this video here and just eat. Then I think I'm going to sleep to take a shower. Then I'm going to sleep because I've not slept the entire night. I've not slept, I've not eaten, I'm just tired. Yeah. And sharing this with you has made me feel a little bit more better, actually. Thank you guys for watching. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.